Christmas. Okay, ho ho ho. This is giving Christmas spirit, special Christmas special. Hey guys, so focus. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just filmed get ready with me chit chat, so that'll be up shortly after this video, but I just really wanted to show you guys the Fenty gloss bomb creams that I went ahead and picked up. I'm actually wearing honey waffles right now, but before we get into any of those details, make sure you go ahead and hit the red subscribe button down below, give this video a big thumbs up, and before we waste any more time, let's get into the glosses. So I'm extra. I picked up all 5 because I was like, I don't know which one I'm gonna like, and you know, when Fenty comes out with something new, especially something that's like popping, it'll be sold out. So I was like, let me pick up all 5 before I play myself, and then I'm like, I can't find no gloss bombs. So these are all 5 of the gloss bomb creams. Okay, so I have honey waffles, I have mauve wives, I have Fenty glow, I have fruit snacks, and I have cookie jar, and they're labeled numbers 1 through 5, so you know what that means. They're gonna be coming out with more, but we don't know when. But why would Rihanna come out with the whole gloss line in the middle of a panoramic though? Like, we're not even gonna get into that. But it's basically called the Gloss Bomb Cream Color Drip Lip Cream. So I noticed that this year is all about the drip. Like, Beyonce is saying it, everybody's saying it. So basically the gloss is described as a cult fave lip gloss, which it is. The Gloss Bomb is a cult favorite. With pure creamy color and incredible shine that instantly leaves lips looking smoother and feeling voluminous. So one thing I will say about gloss bombs is that they're definitely good quality. Like, you can go get a lip gloss from the dollar store. Like, let's be honest. Like, you can go to the beauty supply store, you could get a NYX, you could get a Sephora little $7 to $9 lip gloss, but you can't duplicate the gloss bombs. Like, you just can't do it. So that is one reason why I feel like I'll always get Rihanna stuff when she comes out with it, because I know I'm getting quality. Like, till this day, there's the timer, I gotta go soon, but till this day, I like if I'm in a crunch, I'm picking up Fenty. Like, I just know that I'm gonna get what I'm paying for, and it's at an affordable price. So these retail for $19, and it says they're free of parabens, I think it's phthalates, it's gluten free, and it's also cruelty free. And just like there, what you need to know, it says this feel good, look great lip gloss now comes in medium to full coverage and zero shimmer. It's buildable with full intensity pigment and a brilliant shine. The XXL wand applies in just one swipe with a non-sticky feel, and it has an addictive peach vanilla scent plus vitamin A to nourish lips. So I don't know if you guys saw my Aruba vlog, but I was talking about in Aruba, I was using my little beauty supply lip gloss and my lips got burned. So Fenty won't have you out there looking crazy with your lips burned, because it actually, you know, hydrates and protects your lips while it's on there. And another thing I will say about the gloss bombs is that they don't make my lips feel sticky at all. Like, that's definitely true. Like, you feel like you're wearing something high quality. So I'm just gonna do some swatches for you guys. I'm gonna start with honey waffles, which I already have on. So I'm just gonna put that. Do I want to put it on my wrist? Wrist is probably better so you guys can see the color payoff. And you know, you gotta hop on the new stuff when it comes out, because people want to see it before they buy it. Like, people want to know if they should spend their money. Alright, so right now I have on honey waffles. Honey waffles, a nice honey butter brown, and I'm gonna put on a little more. So that is described as a honey butter brown. Let's go back to the Sephora app. So honey waffles is the one I was most excited about. This is described as a honey butter brown, and I already have it on, but I'm just gonna put on a little more so that we can like build it, since it said that it has buildable coverage. So I just want to see like what that will look like. So as you guys can see, it's getting a little brighter. I think I gotta move my camera closer. So you may have to use a lip liner with this one if you're my color or a similar color, because I feel like it's very close to my complexion. and it goes on so nicely, and it's definitely buildable, and I feel like a little goes a long way. Like if you just want very light coverage, you just throw on like 1 or 2 coats and then you're good. But let me just line my lips with a napkin. But this is Honey Waffles. How it look? It's cute. I hope it's cute. Alright, that's Honey Waffles, so I'm just gonna wipe that off. Ooh. Oh, it comes off in like 1 swipe. Wow. That was like super easy to take off. Like, so easy. So no more like sticky, like, you don't gotta do that no more. The next one I'm gonna be trying is Cookie Jar. So this is similar, kinda. I see it has like a brownish tinge to it. Let's just see what it's described as. So Cookie Jar is described as a chocolate caramel. That sounds cute. That's cute. Okay, Cookie Jar. This actually looks like a burnt orange to me. It's giving burnt orange, y'all. Oh, this is pigmented. This has the color. Okay. Alright now. This is like NYX Butter Gloss. This is like NYX Butter Gloss Click Now, but like that's the vibe it's giving me, like a very upgraded version of NYX Butter Gloss. Okay. How does it look, you guys? Okay. This is cute. I actually like this one more than I expected. Like, I wasn't looking forward to this color at all. This one is cute. What do you guys think? I like this one. Like, I wish my face was more beat, but this one is really nice. Wow, this is like, it's like the perfect pop. Like, hello. You come in the room like, it's me. It's me with my cream gloss bombs. Yes, it's she. That's a, oh my god, I have gloss bomb all over my shirt. No! Oh, this is a dub. I hope it can wash out. I'm probably gonna redo these swatches. Yeah, we're gonna redo the swatches later. But this is cute. This is Cookie Jar. Yes, with the focus. Okay, this is Cookie Jar. Nice little brown color. I like this. This is my favorite one so far. Let me get to the rest before I don't got no more time and time is against me and things is going on. Alright. That face is ugly. Don't do that again. Wipe that off. Another one swipe and go. Yes. So if you want to kiss your man real quick, he don't really gotta worry because it's not gonna get all over him because it comes out so easily. All right, so this is Fruit Snacks. Fruit Snacks for the win. I like to get a good amount on the applicator so I can really get the full pigment. Ooh, okay, Christmas. Okay, ho ho ho. This is giving Christmas spirit, special Christmas special period. It's also given vampire realness. Cream get the money. Dollar bills, y'all. I like this. I love this. This is a nice color. Oh my god, I like all of them. Why? Rihanna, what you doing? What you doing? Trying to take my money. Oh my god, I gotta go. Alright, I have 2 more. I have Mauve Wives. And I have... Alright, so this is Mauve Wives. Mauve Wives is described as a nice rosy mauve. So this should be like a mauve color. So it's not pink, it's mauve, baby. Let's just try Mauve Wives. Ooh, this is cute. This is really cute. I like this. And another thing I like is when you wipe it off, it doesn't leave behind like a residue. Like it's not like a pain to get off where you're trying to like scrub the color off your lips. You don't have to use like a red gloss. Oh my god, what voice is that? You know, traditionally after you use a red gloss, your lips tend to be very, how do I say? So this is Mauve. This is Mauve Wives. This is cute. It's a very calm color. Nothing too crazy going on. Keep it cute. Or keep it on mute. Or put it on mute, should I say. So that's Mauve Wives. Alright. Y'all see it? It's cute. Sorry guys, I'm literally in a rush. I have no minutes left to do this. Alright, wipe that off. One swipe. Next and last is the one I was most excited about. That is Gloss, the Fenty Glow. Girl, where you at? So this is Fenty Glow. So this is Fenty Glow and it's described as a universal rose nude. So it's definitely giving universal rose nude on my lips because you can barely see it. You can barely see it on my lips. Like it just looks like I have on a clear gloss with like a tint of rosy color. But I like it. This is like calm. This is very calm. Probably won't keep this one just because I feel like, I don't know, I think I need to build it more. Let me see. With my 0 minutes left on the clock. Yeah, I think I need to build it more. But this is Fenty Glow. I love this one. This one's cute. Alright, so let me know which color was you guys' favorite, which ones you plan on picking up, which ones you have already, and all that good stuff. And I will have the hair details. I hope y'all like my hair. It's not laid right now, but it will be laid in one of my other videos. So that is it for this video. I went through all 5 of the Fenty. I went through all 5 of the Fenty cream gloss bombs or gloss bomb creams. And I love them. Like, they're bomb. This is Fenty Glow, as y'all already know. And before you head out, make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below. Leave this video a big thumbs up. And let me get off this video so I can go to my esthetician appointment. And I'll have a video on that as well. I'm most likely going to be getting a chemical peel. So that's why I had to rush out and do this video. Because I won't be able to put on makeup for probably a couple days after. And then by that time, like, who cares about Fenty Glow anymore? Like, you got to get it while it's hot, girl. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.